Manipur ge Apunba Assembly Constituency humpugi final photo electoral roll ngasi CEO Manipur na Phongkhre ANOUBA revision da voter masing punna lising kun mapan ga chamri humfu nipan HAPCHINKHRE lising mapan ga chatret nimfu mathoi na voter list dagi KAKTHATKHRE lamfel pata leiba CEO office ta pangthokiba photo electoral roll phongbaga mari leinana pangthokiba paugim pham amada CEO Manipur PK Jhana hai Handak pangthokiba revised summary report ki matung inna gender ratio asi lising amaga supna humfu mapandagi lising amaga supna humfu tara hengatuna hana leiramba chada yankai mari dasmit nipan mari dagi chada yankai manga dasmit kuntra taret oire mamangda sem kiba draft electoral roll da elector masing lakh kun lising Kuntra Mariga, Chatruk Humfu, Oirambadagi, Lising Tara Mapanga, Chatre Kun Mapan, Hengatuna, Apunba final electoral roll da, elector Masing Asi Lak Kun, Lishing Yankai Mariga, Jahum Marifutaret Oire, Nakal Amaromda, Lamdam Asige, Tongan district Singi Oina Yeng Bada, Infal East District da Punna, elector Lak Ahum, Lishing Kun Taruka, Chatruk Humfu Nipan, Infal West District Tana, elector Lak Ahum, Lishing Marifu Mariga, Chamaga humfu tarataro, Bishnupur district ki oina, lag ama lising, marifu mangaga, chani humfu mapan, Thaubal district ki oina lag ani lising taruka, Jahum humfu taret, Chandel district ki oina lising nimfu taruka, Chama subna nipan, Ukhrul district ki oina lising marifu tara mangaga, chani pan marifu tara mari, Senapati district ki oina lag ama lising nimfu taruka, Chatruk humfu taru, Tamenglong district ki oina lising humfu tara taret ka chamri kuntra mapan Churachandpur district ki oina lag amaga lising marifu mangaga chaunga humfu tara Jiribam district ki oina lising kuntra matoiga chaunga tara humdoi Kangpokpi district ki oina lag ama lising taruka chahum tara mapan Kakching district ki oina lag ama lising tara nipan ga chama marifu taru Tengnopal district ki oina lising nimfu humdoiga chaunga tara manga Kamjom district ki oina lising kuntra manga ga chanipan tara humdoi None district ki oina lising kunmapan ga chamapan kuntra humdoi amadi Fairjawal district ki oina elector lising kuntra mariga chamapan yankai ma thoi leiri ANOUBA revision asigi matung inna nauna enroll tauba voter masing lising kunmapan ga chamri humfu nipan gi manungda nupa voter lising tara humdoiga Chahum nimfu nipan Nupi voter lising tara taruka Chamat tara nipan aduga third gender ani yauri Masigi mathakta service elector dana Nupa elector lising kunga Chama kuntra mathoini aduga Nupi elector lising amaga tara tare punna elector lising kun mathoiga Chama nimfu nipan Oire haina mahakna makata na phongdokhe
So we are taking forms in advance. So somebody who is becoming eligible on 1st of January has already been enrolled. Similarly, 3 months henceforth, anybody who becomes eligible, we have taken forms already in advance. At the same time, that's why I keep stressing upon the importance that the messaging through the media channels is that we will try our best through the BLOs, through our other partners to reach out to all the relief camps, and I'm very sure that the EROs have also done that. However, if there is any such instance where any voter is left behind, there is continuous exercise of enrollment as well. Summary revision is a special exercise. Otherwise, also round the year there is a continuous updation of the electoral rolls. And people can apply online, people can give their physical copies also through the BLOs, or they can approach the ERO's office. So through that also. So I'll request you all that kindly take this message, it should go to everybody so that even if somebody has been left behind inadvertently,